Hello and welcome once again to the Waters and Stanton video channel, a news item. We try to bring you news as soon as we get it. And this, would you believe it or not, is yet another radio coming from Yaesu. Yaesu have certainly been very busy over the last few months bringing in new radios. And as you know, the FTM-500D is dead now. But the good news is that Yaesu have introduced, would you believe it? Yes, the FTM-500D, DE or DR, depending on which part of the world you're in. Now, there's very little information, surprise, surprise. All we know is it's 2 meters and 70 cms, and it has the latest Yaesu digital technology, and it looks quite interesting from the photograph, but you don't glean much information from the photograph, unfortunately. And unfortunately, in the announcement, Yaesu have not given any technical information apart from the fact that it's 50 watts. But at least we know now what's going to replace the old FTM-400, even if we don't know too much about the new replacement. The good news is that it's not far away. We expect to have it in March. So we're now in February, so we expect to have it in the next 4 to 6 weeks. Price, again, we don't know. I suspect it's going to be around the same price as the old FTM-400. I don't know. But as soon as we do know the price, you can bet your bottom dollar or your bottom pound that it will be on our website. So the good news is, there is a new model coming from Yaesu. Sorry I can't give you any more information, but what I suggest you do, now that you know that it exists, have a look round on Google, and I'm sure you'll get little snippets of information that haven't yet been published, but in the next few days they will be published, leaked out, whatever. Anyway, good news is, new radio from Yaesu, 50 watts, 2 meters, 70 cms, no idea of the technical spec, no idea of the price, but keep in touch, keep watching. In the meantime, thanks for your support on this channel. Keep supporting us. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, and I'll look forward to seeing you, as usual, in the next video. Bye for now.